What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome guys, welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How you do? You know alright? I hope each and every one of you is in good health, perfect health, and you not feel no pain. If you not feel any pain at all, just remember, check the doctor, go to the doctor, call the doctor, make the doctor come at your yard, come check you. Guys, thank you very, very much to push me to 13,000 subscribers. You know, the road to 15,000 subscribers is there. So guys, to all of me beautiful, me splendacious, me fabulous, me fabulous, me fabulous subscribers, both new and whole subscribers, me love you, not love, me love you. Yes, love you bad, like oh God of little children, like white pan rice, I saw me love you. Yes, thank you very much. Guys, wellness check. Do some wellness check. Make sure you check on your friends and family. Guys, today, a Sunday, red rice and roaster day. You give me some. If you not give me some, share some with Bubble Jebs, share some with Pressa, share some with Cassandra, and share some with Jennifer. Yes, share some of the red rice and roaster. And guys, remember, the beetroot and carrot, now put no milk in it. Just use some honey, or just drink it just like that. Or put a little ginger with a little lime in it and make it refreshing and nice and good for all part of your body, every part. So, guys, make we chat now, make we lavish. And guys, listen good. I am saying this very respectfully. Me no come here for nobody. I'm not here to chastise anybody. Me just there for one for reason and talk with me fella Jamaicans, me fella YouTubers, me fella content creators. Yes, make we have a dialogue, please, without uno come at me and think me at cuss uno or me not talk to anybody specific. Me just try to talk to everybody and all because me learn and me look and me see. But what me want to talk about is, me see a thing I go on there with Colaz Smith name in it. And me not tell you no lie. It a go on a very long time now. And first it did a go on down the road there. I don't know me did involve in it. I don't realize me jump out of it. Yeah? And me jump out of it for a reason. Because me no come on YouTube for I do nothing drastic and bad. When me come on YouTube is for make money, cause me see other people a make money, me see other people a get wealthy, and me see other people a do things when me want to do. So me sit down and me say to myself, but me realize, and when me realize was this, and me go tell you when me realize that my approach to my YouTube channel was wrong. I may try to change it. Me realize it not really change the way me want to change it, so me I build other channel to do other things when me want it to do. But me I change the context of how me deliver my videos. Now, when me find out say me need to make changes was when me get a contact from a brand. Yes, a brand contact me. And the brand who contact me want to pay me $5,000 a video. Listen to what me I say to you. The brand want to pay me $5,000 per video. Or per time me talk about their product. Listen to what I'm saying to you. However, when me realize what I really realize after them contact me about it and them tell me what they want me to do, how they want me to do the video. Then me respond to them. When I respond to them, they send me a letter, and the letter that they sent me was saying that after going through my videos, they realized that my channel is really moving fast and all those things, all them accolades. However, their brand, they don't want their brand to affiliated with the what you call it, the content that I build. That's what them tell me. And it's not one company that tell me that. It's 3 company that tell me that. One of the company, honestly, to be honest, I couldn't work with one of the company because one of the company is Hair Product. Hair Product. They have each, so listen, each time that video play and all those things, it would go $100. $100. Guys, it says $100. They're going to send me the product, which was a blower. It was a blower slash dryer slash comb for ladies. However, after they dig deeper into my channel and their business would not work out. So guys, I was going to make the video a while ago, but I said no. But after sitting down and listening to the videos about talking about Colaz Smith, and is not, some of it is not about Colaz Smith, some of it is just that one cursing, that one cursing, that one cursing, that one cursing, that one calling, that one, you know. So I sit down and I say to myself, I go make this video. And guys, me personally, nah cuss nobody, and me nah telling no what to do, cause me can't do that. The only thing me I try to say to you all is, what is the purpose of you building your YouTube channel? Are you here to have problem with another man over a man? Because as far as I'm concerned right now, it's cursing, you all cursing over a man. And remember this, listen to what me I gonna say to you now. Remember, I was in the same spot, actually doing the same thing. Not really the deep same thing, but similar to what I go on now. Because I was there making videos, a lot of videos about who is attacking Colaz Smith. But my thing is, cannot you guys, or cannot all of us, let me put myself in it, cannot all of us just sit down and try to look into the business side of the YouTube? YouTube is a $1 billion company, and you can make millions off YouTube. Some of us act like we're rich, but everybody need money. Every single person need money. Right now, I would love some money, because me don't have none. All me do is try to make money. So that's why me come out here and me do my YouTube and me make my YouTube, and hopefully, you know, with my content and how me operate and how me deliver my content, people can give me little gifts and YouTube pay me and all those things. And that's how it goes. It's business. Right now, I am trying to start up a thing named You're Not Alone. Meaning I'm trying to look out for women and battered women and battered men, or what you would call abusive, who is in or coming out of abusive relationship. That's what I am trying to do right now. But to me, guys, is that when me see a go on, cause me watching her. You know, me see me make no video because me just tell myself, say, I'm not going to make, I'm not getting into it. And I tell you the truth, I could jump into all what's going on. But I tell myself, no, I won't do it. If I see somebody do something, and I make a video the other day, say, towards I not go call nobody name. I make a video the other day towards an individual. And after I make the video and post the video, I said to myself, I should make that video. But I did make the video because I didn't like what I saw the person did. But to me is this. Colaz Smith, I do a good thing. Colaz Smith is a good youth. You're not, let me say this to you. Let me say this to you. Bill Gates, I do wonders around the world and people still talk about Bill Gates. So you now go get everybody go talk good about Colaz. And you all have to know, me make couple videos, I think between 2 to 3 videos. And I talk me that talk about the Colaz. Me just that tell Colaz say, you should have do that. And me still stand by what me say. Because I believe him should have do that. But at the same time, him don't believe say him should have do that. And that's just how it goes, is his opinion and my opinion. But what me I say is, Colaz I do a good job. That person I love Colaz, that person I love Colaz. But then at the same time, that one they run there so think them more than that one they over there so. And to be honest with you, it start to now make no sense. Yeah. Yeah man, so I believe say at some point in time, it have to be a point where there is a stop or there is a cut off. Because me I tell you the truth, big woman, and listen to the sad part about it. Big woman and big grown man out in the YouTube street, I throw some missile. I throw some missile off of them one another. It's like who can throw the better missile. But brother, remember me tell you, me say me not call no name. One individual out there, I beat them. Me not call nobody name. I mean I say nothing make nobody know who me attack. But one individual out there, I chop up. One individual out there. Brother, hold on a little bit. Wait. One individual out there, I throw some missile. Remember me tell you. Brother, hey, let me tell you something. Me watch the video them. And sometimes I crack up. Because some word where come out of somebody grown man them mouth. Well, grown man and woman mouth. No stop your saying about it. But me see a lot of stupidity going on out there. And me not say nobody name. Cause me listen. All I want me watch. I believe out of everybody program there's one individual that I have never watch them show. Never watch them show. As a matter of fact, I don't even think I will ever watch any of that individual show. I hear the name, but I have never watched any of that individual show. And I go tell them, I can say the reason why. The first time I hear that name is Chaos. And I was like, whoa. So through that, I don't even go to find out what them channel is about. Because to me is, if you respect, love and care about Colaz, me not think some video me see some people make have any sense or even should I make. And there is a particular show, I won't say what it is. There is a particular show that is causing a lot of the problem. Yes. Causing a lot of the she say, he say, who say, that say, and a lot of name calling and a lot of lies is telling on a particular YouTube channel. Because many things them say, me know the full answer and me know how it go and me know when or me know a bunch of the things them when me hear, me know. And me know when I lie and me know who I tell lie. It's just that me not get involved. But me believe say the item. Me believe say you all need to start to sit down and think about making millions. People, you know, see me chuck me in. If me can do YouTube and make money and can buy new truck, new this, new that, new this, that's what me want to do. So what you do? You don't want to do that too? Oh, you rich already? You have enough money already? Oh, you rich like Bill Gates? Oh, me never know so you rich like Bill Gates, so you don't want no money. Many of we today Sunday not eat no red rice. Cause some of we not have it. If you buy red rice and chicken or pork or beef or something, many of we don't have it. If you buy what we really want. So my thing to you all out there is, what is the real purpose of your channel? What is the purpose of your channel? Is the purpose of your channel just to come out and just cuss your brothers and sisters? Some people, to be honest with you, there's channel out there where me I tell her they make all kind of video, but you have some channel out there is just one main thing they talk about. And what kind of sense it make? And I go say this and I go leave it right here, yeah? When I want to do live, yeah? And sometimes I want to do live and talk about abusive situation. But what I realize is that I didn't set up the system right. So what I'm doing is I'm recapping and make it change, because when I start, what I say I'm going to do on that specific night or day or morning, that's what I'm going to talk about. Because it's business. YouTube is business. Having a YouTube channel, people may listen me good now. There's people out there who is telling you that you're lazy and you have to go look work. Little did you know that running a YouTube channel is owning your own business. Let me explain. When every year come, you go have to pay taxes on that. Let me tell you now, all of you down at Jamaica there, and all of you elsewhere over the world, who getting pay from YouTube, you all may believe it's easy and free money. But remember, you go have to pay taxes on it. You go have to pay taxes on your YouTube channel. In a Jamaica, you will have to pay taxes on your YouTube channel because it's income. It is called income. In a Jamaica, PAYE, oh yeah, I don't know if it changed. Because a long time I work down there. But the thing is, I believe, say, we all can do better. Yeah, man. I think we can do better, man. Try to get deals, brand deals. Me lose $5,000 because the people them say my channel is a fast moving channel, and the people them who watch my video, they engage, them watch the video them. Now guess what? Me lose that brand deal because my channel is all about gossip and other things. It's not nobody's fault. Well, it's Hakim there. It's not your fault, Lord God. It's not nobody's fault but mine. Because I put the channel in that way, even though I know that brand deals do not want to really deal with people doing gossip videos, because they don't want you talk about their thing and then people be like, oh yeah, I don't like that guy video, so I'm not buying this. Yeah, they support him. No, I'm not spending my money there. That's how people operate. Some viewers and subscribers, that's just something that I really want to talk about, and hopefully that you all will realize and at least see what me I talk about. So again, enough respect, enough love, and thank you very much for 13,000 subscribers. Now watch no face and out. Bye bye.